This answer is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your Squarespace questions or tasks on demand.
I have a question here. How do I remove the word share on my gallery pages? And you're using the Flatron template. So I'll show you how to do it. You go to Design, Custom CSS, and you can just right click and inspect the page. You just click this button and hover if you want to know how to do it. So you just copy this and paste it. So it is a class, so you have to display none, add important, and it should be removed. Just click save. And it's removed on all pages. Yeah.
Was this helpful? Ask a Squarespace question now. AskQuesty.com.